All right, guys, we are super excited today to be here with the incredible, the amazing, the one, the only,
Aaron.
Kilian Martin, everybody! So Kilian came up and now he's gonna Kilian the Braillehouse.
Thank you for having me. It's such a pleasure to be here, and I love Braille. I was watching last night so many videos. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And he's gonna do some amazing tricks. If you've never seen him skate, you're in for a treat. Check this out, it's amazing.
He's too kind.
Do some tricks.
Do some tricks?
Yeah.
On the box?
Yeah.
You killed it!
Boom.
Are you okay?
Third
You literally did like 900 million tricks in a single day. If I did that, I wouldn't be able to stand up right now.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
So go to his Instagram and give him a follow. Link will be in the description below. Kilian Martin, SK8. You guys know the one. So a huge thanks for coming again. That was
Thank
literally
you.
amazing. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you have to learn how to skate. Get a skateboard. You can do it. BrailleSkateboarding.com.